Maximize your free time in productive activities to enrich your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Empowerment 888 channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make the most of your free time. We all have those moments when we're not sure what to do, but with a bit of planning, you can turn your downtime into productive and fulfilling experiences. Let's dive into 10 activities that can help you maximize your free time. First on our list is learning a new skill. 1. Learn a new skill. Whether it's coding, cooking, or playing a musical instrument, learning something new can be incredibly rewarding. There are countless online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare where you can find courses on almost anything. By dedicating just a few hours a week, you can significantly expand your skill set. Next, let's talk about the power of reading. 2. Read books. Reading not only enhances your knowledge, but also improves your focus and concentration. Pick up books that interest you, be it fiction, self-help, or biographies. If you're short on time, audiobooks are a great alternative and can be enjoyed while commuting or exercising. Speaking of exercising, that brings us to our next point. 3. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is essential for maintaining both mental and physical health, whether you prefer yoga, jogging, or hitting the gym. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. Now, let's get a bit creative, or engage in creative hobbies. Creative activities like painting, writing, or crafting can be incredibly therapeutic and fulfilling. They allow you to express yourself and unwind after a busy day. Plus, you might discover a hidden talent. Another great way to spend your free time is by connecting with others. 5. Spend quality time with loved ones. Use your free time to build stronger relationships. Whether it's having a meal together, going for a walk, or simply chatting, spending quality time with family and friends is invaluable for your emotional health. Next up, let's focus on giving back. 6. Volunteer. Volunteering for a cause you care about can be incredibly rewarding. It allows you to give back to the community, meet new people, and develop a sense of purpose. Look for local charities, shelters, or community centers where you can lend a hand. Let's also talk about the benefits of planning ahead. 7. Plan and set goals. Use your free time to reflect on your goals and plan your future. Whether it's career aspirations or personal milestones, having a clear plan can help you stay focused and motivated. Write down your goals and break them into manageable steps. Another productive way to use your time is by decluttering. 8. Declutter and organize. A tidy space can significantly improve your mental clarity and productivity. Spend some time organizing your home or workspace. Get rid of items you no longer need and create a more efficient and pleasant environment. Let's not forget the importance of financial health. 9. Manage your finances. Use your free time to review your finances, create a budget, or even learn about investing. Financial literacy is crucial for long-term stability and success. There are many online resources and apps that can help you manage your money more effectively. Finally, let's talk about self-care. 10. Practice self-care. Taking time for yourself is essential. Whether it's enjoying a relaxing bath, meditating, or simply taking a break from technology, self-care activities can help you recharge and maintain a healthy balance in your life. To sum it up, making the most of your free time can lead to a more fulfilling and productive life. Whether you're learning a new skill, exercising, volunteering, or simply taking time for yourself, there are countless ways to enrich your life during your downtime. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on living a productive and fulfilling life. See you next time. That is me, Nathan, from the Empowerment 888 family.